I'm pumped up. I'm ready to take on the year. You should be ready too. We're going to have what we want. I always say that because I'm claiming that over all of us. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. It's 2021. We made it. I want to say what's up to all my subbies, and I want to say what's up to all the newbies. That's everybody checking me out for the very first time, top of the new year, dawn of a new year. I really appreciate you guys peeking on in, seeing what the new year is going to bring for all of us in the collective. So y'all get on in here, sit down, relax. We're just going to chit chat just for a little bit, okay? Okay, so new year, and yeah, some things are staying the same. Okay, nothing new over here. But with everything else, as far as our regimen and as far as what we're going to be doing to our hair, we're going to have new attitudes, like I said in the last video. So for those of us who are still searching, cool. We all in this together. We're going to help each other out. And for all of those who have their regimen down pat, hey, we got to keep this train moving. Okay? Okay. So did y'all have fun? Did you celebrate the new year and out with 2020 and in with 2021? Did you? Did you have a good time? Did you sing and laugh and joke and reminisce? Okay, well, I'm glad you had a good time because guess what? Back to work. We're getting back to work. We're getting back in the saddle. We're getting right to it, okay? So we are going to do an update. Okay, it's about that time. Time is really flying. For all of those who are familiar, all those who are initiated, you know that I like to check everything every 4 to about 7 to 8 weeks. Like to check and make sure everything is going well. If anything needs to be adjusted, like I always say, we need to stay incommunicado with our hair. Make sure nothing is shifting the wrong way or going off the track, okay? So we're going to do that. But first, I want to give you the hors d'oeuvres before we get to the entrees, okay? So hors d'oeuvres is as far as updating on anything that has changed with me as far as my products or my regimen, which it hasn't. But I do want to touch on one thing. We were talking about, chit-chatting a little bit about, you know, products that are going, you know, being discontinued and everything like that. Or, you know, we used to buy it and now we don't see it anymore. So more specifically, the wrap and tap. It's really wrapping and tapping, but I like to call it wrap and tap. It's just nice and cute and just shorter to say. Anyway, the wrap and tap, you know that it's been discontinued, or I said that I wasn't able to find it. Others have not been able to find it. Others in the collective have not been able to find it. And so I wanted to give an update because one of our diligent members, okay, and you know who you are. One of us has reached out to the company, to Lotta Body. Lotta Body makes wrap and tap. That's the styling lotion that I use to wrap my hair. And I use that with a leave-in conditioner to basically help get the shine and the bounce and the this and the that. So, long story short, she reached out to the company to get the official word. And now, so we have the official word. Yes, it has been discontinued. Wrap and Tap has tapped out and they have discontinued it. They gave her a nice long, well, we love our customers and we do this and that and so forth and so on and yada, yada, yada. But at the end of the story, they basically said that they no longer make it. So with that being said, again, I want to thank you for looking out and reaching out to the company and giving us the official word. So that's posted in one of the videos, just in case you want to read what they have to say. But if not, we got the gist, okay? But I want to thank you for going that extra mile and getting the official word from them. So with that being said, I'm holding on to the wrap and tap that I do have. But like I said before, that a good substitute would be Care. Okay, so Care I can actually vouch for. I personally have actually used, so I like their styling lotion. So we got Care, but we also have two more on the list that I want to share with everybody that was shared with me or with us in the comment section. So for those who are not interested in the Lotta Body, they were never into Wrap and Tap, they don't particularly care for it, or if care, they're not able to get their hands on the styling lotion, or they want to try something else because maybe that didn't work out for them, I have two others that I'd like to present. First one, I believe it's called the Dudley's Styling Lotion. It's by a company called Dudley's. A lot of us who have been into hair care for a while, we've heard of Dudley's before, and maybe not, but they're a very well-known company, okay? They've been all around. They do a lot of the hair shows. They sponsor a lot of the hair shows, and they have a lot of good products. I can honestly say that I've heard a lot of good things about them. I personally haven't used any of their products. I believe they have shampoos, conditioners, you know, the whole lineup. But I haven't used any of their products. But again, anybody that I've spoken to, or even on the hair boards, or people who are hair aficionados or enthusiasts, they speak highly of them. So that is one that is on the list, the Dudley's Styling Lotion, I believe it is. And the second one that I want to mention that I've also heard good things about is Nairobi, okay? The Nairobi Wrap and Shine Foaming Lotion, okay? Again, I have not used that personally, but Nairobi is another company that I've heard good things about. I personally haven't used any of their things, but I have heard good things about. And you do see it in a lot of the beauty supply stores. So that's another one that you may want to consider if you're looking for a good styling lotion, because you're still on the search of, and you still haven't found it or found one. Those are two other subs that you may want to check out. Again, they can be found in beauty supply stores. The Care can be found at Sally Beauty. And the Wrap and Tap, which is discontinued, it's made by Lotta Body, but they also have a concentrated version. It's not called Wrap and Tap or Wrapping and Tapping, but it's not called Wrap and Tap. It's just called Lotta Body Styling Lotion, I believe. And that can be found at Sally Beauty as well. So those are a couple of alternatives that I wanted to share that were shared, and we got to share because that's what we do, because sharing is caring, right? We share around here, so that's what we did. So I wanted to update you guys on that. Other than that, now that we've got the hors d'oeuvres and whet our appetite with what is to come, now we're going to share the update as far as the link and check in and make sure that we're starting off the year on a good foot. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to chronicle. I want to show you where I came from where I started this whole journey with you guys. Okay, when I first posted my first video, and show you where I came from as far as the length. The health was coming back at that point, but the length, we were still working on the length. So I want to show you that, just give you a couple of details of where I was coming from to where I am now. We're still in the running. I'm still trying to reach my hair length goal, which is a little past bra strap, but we can see what we're working with and basically gauge from that point on, so we know where we're going in 2021, because we're going to have what we want. So let's skip down memory lane, shall we? Hand in hand, and let's see where I came from and now know where we're going, because now you'll see where I am now and all that good stuff, and then we'll revisit and we'll come back and yeah, finish this all out. So let's get to skipping, okay? I'm gonna get there, but that's my hair. Okay, guys? so we're doing very well, okay? So you all know my spiel. I've been very consistent. I've been checking in with my hair and checking in with you guys as well. You know, we're on a schedule every 4 to 7, 8 weeks. On that schedule, we don't play around, staying on schedule. So with that being said, my hair loves a schedule. Your hair will love a schedule. We got to keep to a schedule. Schedules are good, okay? Schedules help. So we've been checking in with that. We've been maintaining with the products that work for us and getting rid of the products and not using the products that don't. Okay, anything that's causing breakage or dryness or excessive shedding, we're not going to do that. Okay, we're not holding on to stuff that doesn't work for us. We're starting off 2021. Clean slate for some of us. Okay, and for a lot of us, we holding on to our holy grails all the way till, you know, we reach our goal and beyond. Okay, so with that being said, it's funny to look at your hair and document your journey, and to have documented where I came from to where I am now is very satisfying to see the progress. It's very satisfying as far as knowing what you know and then implementing it and reaping the rewards. So again, I feel very good about the journey, very good about the process, and I want to hear from you guys. Everybody, you know how it is around here. Today's going to be roll call, everybody. Okay, for those who want to jump in and let everyone know, let me know how you're doing. Just let me know down below. Let me know how your journey is going, what you're starting off 2021 with, okay? I know a lot of y'all give me updates here and there, and I really do appreciate it, okay? Because it makes me feel good when I hear that you guys are really prospering in your hair journey, because that's what this is all about. I always say that we always want to do well, rooted to the tutor, okay? Top of our heads, sole of our feet. Our feet? We ain't got feet. Sole of our feet, okay? But everything is in conjunction with living your best life, okay? So that's going to be the mantra for this year, living our best life. I guess we'll go this way. Living our best life. Whichever way the camera's going. But living our best life, that's what we want to do. And specifically, living our best hair life. That's what we're going to do. That is going to be the motto for this year. Living our best hair life. So let's have it. Okay, so I checked in. It was sort of a timeline of sorts, but just to see where I came from to where I'm going to where I am now. So for you guys, if you want to check in and let me know where you're going, okay, how far you've come, okay, then please do it. Let me know down below. I would appreciate it. I love hearing from you guys. And yeah, I'm excited, okay? I'm excited, and I want you to get excited, not only about your life, but your hair life, okay? Because we're going to have it all. We really are. I'm not throwing that out there. We're going to work towards our goal. There's nothing magical or mystical about it. Like I said in my last video, okay? We got to stick to the regimen, stick to the basics of the regimen, which is good stuff all around, staying consistent, okay, and being patient and not comparing. Your journey is your journey, and we're going to make it, okay? So with that being said, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out, okay? So thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. We're going to be chit-chatting. Well, you know how we do around here, okay? In the collective. In the collective. In the collective. So you know how we do it around here. We'll be back talking about some more stuff. Okay, we got more stuff on the list. The list hasn't changed. We just keep adding to the list. So you make sure you come on back, because you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back.